Xtra Muse review. The Pocket 4K at 120 frames per second gimbal camera that killed my phone vlogging forever. Picture this. You're on an amazing trip. Golden hour hits, you pull out your phone on a gimbal, hit record, and instantly see the jitters, the soft focus, the blown out sky, and that ugly rolling shutter every time you pan. Or you're vlogging to camera walking through a busy market and your phone loses focus the second someone walks past. Worst one yet, you finally land a brand deal, deliver the footage, and they reply, "It looks like iPhone quality." I've been there, red-faced, promising myself next time I'll bring the real camera, and then never do because it's too big and heavy. That cycle ends a lot of creators before they even start. You keep telling yourself, "My phone is good enough," while watching your favorite creators post buttery smooth cinematic clips that get millions of views and real sponsorships. Every shaky clip you upload feels like leaving money on the table. You spend hours in post trying to stabilize, color grade, and crop out the flaws, only to still end up with something that screams "shot on phone." Friends ask, why don't your videos look like theirs? And you have no answer. Deep down, you know the truth. You're stuck in the amateur lane while everyone else is driving past you with proper tools. The frustration builds every single time you press record and already know the footage won't match what's in your head. Then I got my hands on the Xtra Muse. It's literally a 1-inch sensor 4K camera with a real mechanical 3-axis gimbal built into a body the size of a thick phone. You flip it open, press record, and it's ready. No balancing, no connecting apps, no extra rig. It's designed from the ground up for people who vlog, travel, or create content alone. The gimbal physically moves to keep everything silky smooth. The sensor grabs way more light and detail than any phone, and the autofocus actually follows your face or whatever you point at. It's the camera I wish existed 3 years ago. I took it to Lisbon last month, walked miles through cobblestone streets, filmed sunset time-lapses for moving trams, danced in a crowd at a street party. Everything handheld, zero extra gear. The footage came back looking like I had a full crew. Horizon perfectly level, no micro jitters, skin tones natural, highlights saved, slow motion at 120 frames per second that actually looks expensive. One clip of my girlfriend spinning on the rooftop at Blue Hour got over 2.8 million views on Reels in a week. A travel brand that rejected me twice before watched it and booked me the next day for a paid campaign. TechRadar senior reviewer said it best. The Xtra Muse delivers stabilization and image quality that simply isn't possible with a phone and gimbal combo. Real user Alex Shot This wrote, "Sold my Osmo Pocket and never looked back. This thing replaced $1,800 worth of gear in my backpack." That's not marketing. That's just what happens when your tool finally matches your vision. If you're tired of settling for good enough phone footage and you actually want your videos to look and feel professional the second you hit record, do yourself the biggest favor of 2024. I've put my affiliate link in the description. Click it right now while it's still at the lowest price I've ever seen it. Seriously, it keeps selling out. Grab the Xtra Muse, shoot one video with it, and you'll understand why thousands of us will never go back to phones again. Your future self and your future sponsorships will thank you. See you in the comments with your first clip.